Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is about the COVID-19 update for Google My Business. I'll try and keep this short and sweet for you. So if you log into your Google My Business account and you come over here to the posts section, you'll then come up here and you'll see COVID-19 update. And when you click on that, it brings this up, right? And you see exactly what they're talking about to let the customers know about your changes. And here you can go ahead and put text, anything that you would want to update, maybe hours that have changed, or maybe that you're still open and that you are an essential business. I haven't found a character limit on this yet, but I'm sure there is one. There is no way to add an image to this currently, and that's as of March 25th, 2020. Another nice thing that is here, and for your SEO, for your ranking purposes, is the fact that you are allowed to add a button. When you do, you can click on this, and of course you can choose whichever one fits for you. We'll just say click more, and you could simply put in your main website, although you may also have a specific page that tells people more about your services with the COVID-19 conditions. All right, I hope that this helps in showing you how to update your Google My Business for the COVID-19 post. There's one more thing I'd like to show you, and we'll go ahead and close out of this, is that Google recommends that you also update your company description. And the company description is here in the info section. So if you left click on this, and we'll scroll down and we'll go ahead and come down to the company description. Right, and here, your company description, you can go ahead and update this. Right, you have 750 characters total, and you can add whatever your new conditions are for the COVID-19. And then, of course, when you do that, you would need to click apply to make sure that it's saved. Right, I want to show you one more thing. And that is, we'll go to a link for Google's help page on this. Okay, so here we are inside of the Google My Business help section, and I'll go ahead and put this link in the description below so that you can go to this page directly and see this, because Google may be updating this as time goes by. This is late March of 2020, and you'll see that there are the two major things that they recommend. And that's what I just showed you. And the number one is learning about editing your business description, and that's what we did. And then we also created a post. Now, the other things you may do, of course, we didn't show here, but updating your business hours, any temporary closures, right? And you can check out some more of this information that's in here. But that's the quick and dirty information to help you with a quick tutorial on how to update your business for the COVID-19 and your Google My Business. Right? I hope this helps in driving your SEO higher with a simple tutorial. If you need any more help, come on over to btfoom.com to the contact page. Get in touch with us. You can get set up for more in-depth, real member videos to get you up to date and informed on everything that you need to do in the SEO world to help your business ranking. You can also ask about common tasks that we provide. Thanks, and I hope this helps.